ka na.
Hello everyone! Welcome back to our channel!
Say hi.
Hi!
Say hi.
Yes.
Say hello. Say hello there. Say hello. Hi.
Hi!
Hi.
Yes.
Love, love. Love, love. Okay.
Ang tagal namin bago nakagawa ng second episode kasi I was busy planning Rue's first birthday party! I was so excited na to open the gifts. Monday pa lang sinasabi ko na kay ate na sobrang excited na ako. Pero we chose to wait for Daddy kasi si Daddy was busy working and buti na lang may holiday today which is May 1,
Oh
Labor
my God.
Labor Day.
Ang ganda.
Yes! So we are
Open, open,
now opening your gifts with Daddy! Yay!
Two hands. Two hands.
Yes. Wow! Come on. You open it more. Open it more. Wow!
Wow.
Let's read yung tag muna. I think yung tags will be sentimental for us too. Oo. Sabi niya, Dear Rue Violet, may you grow strong in the Lord. Yay! It's a learning walker! Ang cute oh. I will open it. Look, baby girl!
Sige.
We
Next
need
time.
to assemble it. Tapos, kompleto na yung xylophone mo, oh. Alright, so, we have two H&M. So, siguro damit to, no? Most likely. Yun. Eh! Excited ka na? Ano yung next na damit mo? Alright. Open na ni Mami. Wow!
Oh, malaki pa.
Oh, it's a
ba to?
dress.
Kasya
Yes,
na
kasya
to.
na sa kanya. It's a pink dress. Malaki pa
Pero
yung dito.
kaya pa
Yeah,
magana.
I love receiving clothes na mas malaki pa sa kanya. Kasi, ibig sabihin, parang medyo matagal pa ako bibili ng mga damit for her. Kasi may stock. So, thank you sa mga tao na nagbibigay ng clothes. Are you excited? Ano to? Yeah, we know it's a clothing, pero... Tada!
Cute. Yung dress ulit.
Ano siya? Top, peplum top na may shorts. Wow! Perfect for summer, oh! Actually, ito, na-open na to ni Ru nung birthday niya mismo. Kasi we wanted her to open at least one gift nung birthday niya itself. This one is gift ng beshi niya sa kanya. Si ate, yes. And we so love it. And we want to show it to you guys. As in. Mga terno na coordinates. Ang cute to. And then, unicorn! Yes. And again, larger siya than yung current size ni Ru. So, I'm happy. Medyo matagal pang gamitan to. And then this one, ito super cute ito. Kasi, parang yung ini-imagine ko sa kanya, pag sinuot ni Ru, naka-pigtail siya, tapos may sunglasses. Baby Gangnam style yan eh. And then ito super cute talaga. Gusto ko nga bumili ng isang buong turn na yung tatlo tayo. This one, first shoes ni Ru, rubber shoes, first rubber shoes ni Ru. Ang cute to, it's violet too. Na? Tapos, marami pang room for growth niya. Na, baby girl.
Busy siya.
Oo nga eh. Thank you, ate. Thank you, ate, for loving us.
Where's ate?
Where's ate?
Where's ate? Ru, where's ate?
Where's ate? There!
Clap your hands for ate. Clap your hands. Yay, thank you.
Love, ate.
Love, love, ate.
Love, ate. Love you, ate. Hindi ko sure kung naririnig siya sa video, pero if naririnig nyo, yun yung dog namin sa labas. Umiiyak. Kasi hindi namin, usually kasama natin siya, wherever we go. Pero ngayon, hindi, kasi kakainin niya yung rapper. Yun. So, nilock out siya sa room and now she's crying. Okay. Ang saya pala talaga. Uy, ang galing. Di nila ni-staple. Actually, hindi ko to naisip na ganitohin yung mga gifts. Yung mga pag naka-paper bag, nisi-stapler ko, pwede pala ganito. Masisil pala siya. Ang galing, tinan mo. Ginawa nila. Inano nila yung tali. Bakit? It's a no-brainer, pero hello, hindi ko siya naiisip. Ikaw ba naisip mo to? O, di ba? And ang cute-cute ng mga damit. May ampaw, oh. Yay! Thank you.
Ang pao is for me no only.
Wala naman, ampaw is for me noon. Pakita mo muna. Pero pakita mo muna. Ang dami niyong binigay. Wow! Ang cute nito. Wow. Pag si Tita yung nagbigay ng damit, ang cute-cute talaga ng mga design. Wow! Blue violet is violet, oh.
Wow.
Wow. Oo, same sa ano
Bagay.
niya. Yung bulaklak, same sa Wow! May red shirt ka na pag may birthday. Ang cute, oh. And again, I love it because it's many sizes larger. Oh, cute talaga.
Say thank you.
Thank you. This one is from, nakalagay lang, Turu. Happy birthday.
Baka sa loob.
So, we don't know kanino to.
Baka sa loob.
Makita mo yung generational, no? Ano ba yung heart sa atin? Ganun. Yung pag tayo, ganun. Ngayon, ganun na. And this one, another Old Navy. Wala rin nakalagay kanino. Happy birthday, Ru lang. You think it's the same person?
Hindi, iba yung
Diba? Pero, yeah.
Iniram yung ano.
Ballpen.
Baka sa
Naghiraman
office
ang
eh.
ballpen.
Ano?
So cute! Oh my God!
Oh!
It's a unicorn jacket!
Bagay sa damit mo.
Oh, cute!
Pati mo na. Ruru. Ano?
Ano ta?
Taga!
Ano ta? Anong ginagawa ng unicorn? Dami na nating gifts na na-open. Doon pa rin siya sa gift number 1. Next is this one. Yes, it says, Rue Violet, blessed happy first birthday. Love, Tito. Okay, so itago natin to. Yung tag. Collect natin. Look at this, oh. Mommy loves this so much. Tingnan mo to, oh. The gigantic coloring book of Bible stories. Wow! Talagang ano, medyo matagal-tagal mo makukulayan to lahat, baby girl. Ang ganda. Ano, Daniel and the Lion. Okay. Marami pa siyang book sa loob. Wow! Wow! Your first Bible story, so... Yan.
You want this?
Yes.
Other side, other side.
Yeah, so yung thing na maganda dito, yes, makapal siya. Yes, kaya ano? Hindi siya mapupunit ng bata. Ayan. Kaya. Ayan. And you can open pa more dito, oh. Wow! Ayun lang, ito baka mapunit. Up. Ayun na nga po, guys. Wow! Ang dami namang laman yan. Are you guys ready?
Dami ba?
Are you guys ready? It's a
ram.
It's a baby girl. Kiss. Oh, love.
Busy board!
Yes, another busy board. Sobrang tagal na namin gustong bilhan ng busy board si Ru. Look, baby girl.
Nice lang. Sa stroller ba?
Yeah. Wow, oo nga no. There's another one. Oh, wanna mag-open up. Pagkain for us. Cute, oh. She's trying to reach the ram. Beautiful. Madami. So cute.
Wala, hindi ko nagawa ito.
Ito, book. Wow! Dami mo ng books. Pwede na tayo library. Wow!
Thomas.
Okay, from the ever dearest Ninong. So, it's from Hamleys. Actually, yung Hamleys, nagiging favorite, ko na siya. Toy store kasi, yung niya, mga toys dun aesthetically pleasing. Yan. Let's read. Happy birthday, Ru, from Tito. Ang ganda pala ng writing ni...
Ayan. Open.
Open it. Open it.
Ruru, come here. Open
Uy.
mo na. Come on.
Oh.
What is this? It's
It's an octopus!
sobrang kakaiba. I like it.
Yeah.
Wow!
Parang takot si Ru.
Takot ba siya?
Parang.
Hey, hug. Hug the octopus. Hug.
Hag.
Hello.
No.
Which one do you want? Oh,
Oh, baka mahigayan Ang cute naman May smiley face
wait lang. Hey.
This is very,
Wait
very
lang.
unique.
Wait. Ang ganda siya.
Ang lambot. Ang lambot. It's so soft. You like it? It's so very
This one or
unique,
this one?
I like it.
Wow, ayan, okay na.
Okay na kayo, friends na. Love na yan. Kiss.
Ayan,
Ayaw
kiss.
niya, kiss. This one, kiss. Okay naman din pala. This is from my friend, si Tita. So, she usually gives us hand-me-downs from her baby as well. So, yung package na yun, marami ding hand-me-downs. And, this is her gift to Baby Ru. We're going to open this one. First, we have a dress. Wow! Like, parang siya, yung meron siyang sailor feels for me. Yeah. And I love, again, how
Big.
it's very maluwag. Kasi matagal pa akong, parang kumbaga, hindi kami mape-pressure gamitin lahat ng damit niya sabay-sabay. Kasi meron kaming time pa to grow. I have another one.
Wow.
It's a magnetic letter set.
Bridge Onyx.
Yes.
Wow. So, Malo.
So cute tayo, pinch.
Hello, Kitty, Malo. Kiss.
Pinch.
Kiss.
Kiss. Wow, we have another one. It's so cool. It's a meteor and galaxy projector.
Ano natin?
Uy, si Ru. Si Ru iniwanan.
Ay, baka masugatan ka.
Uy, sobrang excited ako dito. Wow.
Social.
Wow. Ito yung itsura niya,
Madaming discs.
Yes. These are the discs.
I'll say thank you.
There are different discs para pag pinasok mo na siya dito.
Sige, ito benta namin mga 200.
Grabe naman. Bakit
Sige guys,
200?
comment lang kayo kung magkano yung nyo. Minimum namin dito 300. Yung pinakamataas, yun yung bibigyan namin. Ha?
Thank you, guys. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please subscribe. Yes.
Kasama ng battery.
Thank you. Ang thoughtful pag may kasamang battery.
Okay, cute.
Mamang, tingnan mo yung time mo. Mini piano. Yes. So, I think kapag pinress mo to, it will make the sound of an animal na nandito. Parang snow globe. Here. Ano kaya ako kapag pinipress mo to, umiikot to, no? Ang cute siguro pag ganun. Ru.
Open.
Ru,
Open.
Ru, you want to open? Come on.
Wow.
Yes. Open. Wow. Oh.
Wow.
Parang ang naman ito, princess feels naman.
Tiny.
Tiny tummies. Parang hindi naman tiny yung tummy mo, Ru, eh.
Yung isa. Gusto niya talaga yung gift ni Mod.
Oh, meron pang isa pa. Tiny Tommy's.
Dalawang.
Ganda.
Check natin kung kasha.
Yun, oh.
Or ma-return mo daw na.
Yes. If you guys are wondering saan saang store to, I saw sa SM department store pala meron.
Wow! Ang laki! Kasha.
Oo. More than.
Ayan.
Tapos may matching headband pa yun.
Bak-
Oh, yung cute din ito. Tapos yung turn niya yung leggings. Oy. Yung cute baby girl. And this one is from... excited.
It's an elephant!
Learning shapes. Oh, kaman na na-excite siya.
Look at the different colors. It's red, orange.
Wow! Up. Ang cute kasi yung ano niya, pang subo dun sa elephant.
Peanuts.
Peanuts. Parang cartoons lang. Okay.
Thank you. That was the purple peanut.
Purple peanut.
You find the peanut with the heart shape.
Heart shape. Heart shape is this one. Sabi niya, find the heart shape.
You are so smart.
You are so smart.
The peanut.
So, bali may ninang siya na like every month na milestone ni Ru, may gift talaga siya sa amin. Oh, so, no exact birthday ni Ru, sinant niya yan. Bali kasi yung celebration ni Ru was a few days later than yung actual birthday niya.
This is
Nice.
your ginger.
Ginger snaps.
Ninang of the year.
Ninang of the year nga. Sobrang love niyo si Ru. Wow! Isa-isahin natin. Ang ganda naman.
It's lemon. Ang cute. Ang gandang damit niya.
Ganda yung mga damit sa Ginger Snaps eh.
Hoy.
Very
Come here.
quality yung mga tela. Tapos aesthetically pleasing sila. Isa, shirt. Yes. And siguro, yung terno, this one, maganda siya i-terno dito. So, shorts. I know, these are leggings.
Ano? Ito tapon to.
Yan. Ang ganda. Yan.
Aqua.
Wow!
Ang cute.
Parang ano siya, retro vibes.
Pussycats.
80s. This one, ang cute din. Freshly squeezed lemonade. Lemonade ka ba? Hindi ka naman lemon, pig yan eh. Joke lang. And last one, ang cute to. Retro vibes talaga. Oh. Parang bell-bottom pants. This one is actually from a friend of mine na grabe, sobrang effort niya din kasi nasa US siya ngayon. So, we couldn't attend yung birthday ni baby girl. Pero he sent us this gift instead na kahit nasa US siya, he remembered to give us a gift. Actually, dahil nga, ano siya, from online shopping siya. Kita mo namin yung nandito. And then, syempre, hindi naman siya mabalot kasi na-ship naman agad siya sa amin.
Cute.
Excited ako makita yung actual niya sa loob.
Let's see.
Yes. Yun yung bear.
Bubuksan.
Hoy! Ito yung pasukan ng friends. Ang ganda. Paano siya bubo? Wow! May ganito pa oh. May pang busy board siya. Ang cute!
Nakatakas ka ba dito, Ru?
Oo nga, makatakas ka pa ba dyan? Ay, ganito lang siya. Uy! Hala! Sticker! Sticker! Hala!
Nasira mo.
Sira! I'm not sure. Ako ba yun?
Ha? Hindi na.
Hala, ito yung sticker para sa bear.
Lagay na natin kasi.
Hala, nasira ako ba? Patingin
Hindi
na.
naman din.
Baby girl!
Cute.
Mga towels niya,
Hindi nakasya.
nakakalakihan na niya. Oo. So, this is very helpful. Thank you. Last one. From the parents. Actually, it's not from families. Paper bag lang. So, this is something na matagal ko nang gustong bilhan si Rue. So, finally, on her first birthday, nabigyan na natin siya ng her very first art supplies. So, ito, acrylic colors.
What's this?
Yes.
It's a lion.
It's your very first drawing book.
Yeah, you
Yes.
like it? You like it? Ah.
Ito, pwede siya for toddlers kasi it's non-toxic. Ayan, matagal ko na siyang gustong mag-paint.
Finger paint.
Yan, finger paint. Yeah. So this sums up our first birthday gift unboxing. Yay! Thank you so much to the people who gave gifts and show their love. Actually, marami pa siyang gift bukod dito, but in form of monetary na. So thank you. We will be opening a bank account for Rue and then putting all the angpaos there. We promise. So, hindi naman nila malalaman if hindi. Joke lang. So we promise to do that. No, Rue. Kasi mapapanood mo to in the future tapos sisingilin mo kami ng angpaw mo. Yes. And then, thank you then for the people na nagpunta sa celebration namin for Rue. And then, thank you then for everyone who has been constantly showering us with love. Thank you for making us feel loved and blessed. Yun. Bye guys! See you at our next video.